Imagine the feeling of open highways stretching endlessly ahead, the wind brushing past you, and the confidence of a machine that refuses to tip, wobble, or compromise your freedom. The Voyager Trike 2026 isn't just another motorcycle conversion. It's a bold reinvention of touring designed for riders who want the thrill of two wheels with the stability of three. Built around the legendary Voyager Trikes conversion system, this machine transforms an ordinary motorcycle into something far more confident and road-ready. With a starting price hovering around $4,000 to $5,000 for the kit alone, it offers riders an affordable gateway into the world of trike touring without needing to buy an entirely new motorcycle. From the outside, the Voyager Trike immediately captures attention. Two supportive rear wheels extend outward on a sturdy frame, creating a wide and planted stance that feels purposeful and strong. The structure is engineered to blend with popular motorcycles, whether it's a cruiser, touring bike, or even a large touring icon like the Honda Goldwing. The sleek metal framework, reinforced suspension arms, and matching fenders give it a custom-built appearance, making the motorcycle look more muscular and capable. Even while standing still, it gives off the vibe of a long-distance explorer ready to conquer highways, mountain passes, and endless scenic routes. Climb aboard, and the experience becomes even more intriguing. The interior, if you will, remains familiar because the original motorcycle cockpit stays intact. Riders still enjoy the same comfortable seat, intuitive handlebars, and instrument cluster they already know, but now with a reassuring sense of balance. On the road, the Voyager Trike delivers smooth power from the host motorcycle while the added wheels keep everything stable during slow maneuvers, stops, and tight turns. Whether cruising through city streets or rolling across open highways, the ride feels calm and controlled, making long journeys less tiring and far more enjoyable. Safety and practicality are where this machine truly shines. The additional wheels provide remarkable stability, especially when stopping at traffic lights or navigating uneven roads. For riders who struggle with balance or simply want extra security, that added support can make a world of difference. Many setups also include options like an electric reverse system, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. The trike layout improves confidence for both new and experienced riders, while the simple bolt-on design means the motorcycle can still be converted back to two wheels if desired. Of course, no machine is perfect. The wider rear stance means it takes a little time to adjust your riding style, and the added structure slightly changes how the bike handles corners. But these minor compromises are small compared to the freedom it unlocks. The Voyager Trike 2026 is perfect for touring enthusiasts, older riders who want to keep riding comfortably, or anyone who loves the spirit of motorcycling but prefers extra stability. It stands out because it doesn't replace your motorcycle. It enhances it, turning familiar rides into confident adventures and proving that the road is still wide open for those who refuse to stop exploring.